My name is Tom Curran and I am the manager of the Survey and Mapping Division. Today I'll take you on a journey to explore how the Survey and Mapping Division use drone technology for asset management and city planning. Since 2017, the Survey and Mapping Division have been using drones to support all sections and all divisions within DCC. We use drones to capture photos and videos to monitor the progression of large-scale capital projects for asset management, inspections and condition surveys. We can also create 3D models. These 3D models are extremely valuable to our architects, engineers and design team in order to gain accurate measurements of the projects. Drones play a pivotal role in improving workplace health and safety by eliminating the need for staff to access hazardous sites, which is extremely important to Dublin City Council. For the future, we have the potential to use more advanced sensors mounted on drones. For example, mapping vegetation or monitoring invasive species. We also plan on sending drones down on collapsed pipes or tunnels to investigate and measure the extent of the damage. Drones and survey and mapping are helping Dublin City Council respond to the needs of the organisation across multiple City Council departments, and it is a critical part of how we work.